It's a young lady's turn. All right, right here. Go ahead. Yes, you.
Senator Obama, the youth of America and many Americans consider you a bright beacon of hope for the future, and you are a civil rights advocate. But could you please explain to me why you voted to reauthorize the Patriot Act, which is the worst attack on civil rights of Americans? And we do now know that George Bush's fabricated reasons to go to war were fabricated, so we do not need the Patriot Act to keep us safe.
Let me tell you what. First, it's not actually true that the Patriot Act was the worst. Most of the problems that we have had in civil liberties were not done through the Patriot Act. They were done through executive order by George W. Bush. And that's why the first thing I will do when I'm president is call in my Attorney General and have he or she review every executive order to determine which of those have undermined civil liberties, which are unconstitutional, and I will reverse them with a stroke of a pen. And so that is actually how...
And that is actually how a politician lies to get your vote. So if there's anybody out there in YouTube land that wants to cry about me giving Obama the finger, this is just one example of hundreds that I could cite why everyone should give him the finger everywhere he goes. Okay, this isn't a partisan issue. This is about my angst against the two-party dictatorship. Okay? That's why I'm launching the Give Obama the Finger campaign. That's right, the Give Obama the fucking Finger campaign. All you gotta do is own a video camera and the Bird of Liberty. That's right, there's two of them, one on each hand, and I expect people to give it to them.